Very few. It's how they were brought up. You see, Westgate, now. The most important thing, Gubo, it's literacy and numeracy. You can count, read and write. Yeah, okay. You can be competitive in the mainstream economy. Whether as an employee or as an employer or as a manufacturer. Because Pela, we are the biggest consumers. We have the market. We have the workforce. It should be us who are manufacturing. It should be us who are industrialists. Because everything, you can go to any factory for research purposes. The people who deal with production mainly are blacks. Yeah, you can't. There's no way. Your question is very important. You can only find them in KZN. But in the other province, lender any manure labor. This thing of finding an Indian being a plumber, now. They're not even doing these electrical jobs in the Malpeli case. But you can't find them. There are very few. It's how but the system was. I think it's we're missing things every time. Sometimes it's lalela music for listening. Again, once you listen music and listen with an understanding, the music lot of funds is thing. Bob Malbakchelang emancipation from mental slavery. It's very important. Except we are locked, machi. That's confined to a space semi-western. It's confined by their standards, by their pyramid. We are even not able to go out there and start things because we believe good. You can only do it if you follow a bureaucracy. Hence, we are held back. We second guess ourselves every time we want to do something. We second guess. We were taught to be servitudes. We were taught to be told this is right. We don't believe in ourselves by having just that instinct of understanding. But this is right. This will create opportunities, jobs, and so forth. Because the more people who are empowered, the more now you get empowered. Yeah. The more people are in a position to afford their daily needs, the more now you are in a position to do business. But we are scared to go and start businesses because it's only blacks who will employ their own people. There's no solutions that will come from the other races and solve our problems. No. It is only black people who will take blacks out of poverty, unemployment, and inequality by ensuring whenever they come across wealth, they are willing to distribute it and assist others who are business people who need capital. There is no other nation or ethnicity in the whole globe or universe in terms of their nations who will come from Europe, Asia, and assist black people. All of them are here to exploit. Even Chinese are not assisting. They are the second colonizers of Africa. I understand. Yeah. That we must be honest about. Until we have agreements with such countries on our terms, on our export terms, because they export a lot of, they import a lot of our raw materials at a less price. Sinegwetu is to gain value kulama products, process them until by what is a final product. Everything, from gold to anything. That is when then we